Welcome to Naija Watch channel. We are here to entertain you with series of videos. Naija Watch always promote videos from our presenters both home in Nigeria and all over the world. We do our best to be up to date with breaking news, gist and gossip from your favorite presenters. Naija Watch will always ensure to bring entertainment to your doorstep and to your household. We also encourage those who want their voices to be heard both in Nigeria and all over the world to come be a member of the ever-accommodating Naija Watch family.
Do you love to be updated about what's going on around you? Your roots, both home and abroad? Do you want to be updated about situation reports, speeches, and comments from your favorite presenters? Then look no further, because Naija Watch channel is your #1 channel. Do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share videos to your friends and your families. And also turn on your notification button so you can be updated and notified whenever we upload our latest videos.
But thank you for being a member of the Naija Watch family. We are always accommodating, and do not forget to share and like our videos. Bye bye and God bless you.
Good morning, viewers. I did for Ekpobaaka on Semika Street for Ramadan Day. Waiting draw my attention at the gully site we did this area where people never know. Now I want to go check. So this road now, if you take hands, you look at now, it take you straight to Ramat Park or Semika Street. So may I turn, so you can see we dey head towards the gully. So mo go see am, mo go. Now opposite Ramat Park, now this road there, as you can see, the thing they chop and they go. They chop and chop and chop and chop and chop and. So meanwhile, we'll go. We are close. We dey close to the gully. Now Naija Watch, as you can see, now as I carry this train reach here today. The name of this program that Naija Watch TV, they call it Ewanta Atamegbe. So you see road, not be village or not town or. So don't mistake here for village. So I'll see whether some locals there when I fear ask question. Okay, as you can see, where I don't from Semika now at the end of Semika Street for Ekpobaaka local government of Edo State. Opposite this road now, if you take and go back now opposite Ramat Park, gone. Meanwhile, this road now we make an 3 junction here. I want to turn out to right to my left hand side. They call it Idean Street. Now road with this, so we turn to farm part. So as you can see, if let's say channels there, yeah. I don't know if let's not here what are they pass here. We in a community effort with this.
Yes.
Okay, this is a community effort. I feel waka pass her.
Yes.
I not sure say I not go for. So now road this thing just go like this, as you can see. So me I go as I did now. Now Semika Street. Now you they see so opposite Ramat Park. So they go. Now they me enter so. So now these are palliative measures for people might dirty. When something spoil small, they'll spoil and finish. Where the gully? Okay. Where the name of this very street? Okay, now Semika. Okay, now gully burn out like that. Okay, well, there's a continuation for Semika. With this, as a community itself, they also carry out their own effort to make sure say they ravage, they fit conquer this a gully, another gully way they here, will be connected in the making. And to the best of my knowledge, I know say we have several connected where they come. But meanwhile, may I go through this channel, may I look at. So see this gutter where they create for this or Semika Street. May I take and go down? May I see? Oh, but now your area, bless now you go talk to me. Because now you know how it be.
The community on their own, don't you try?
You know, if you ask you a question, you will tell me. As you see, and so, or say we can now say B, so now I will see there. Okay, well, let me go through. Say, this one, me feel say to do this job. River dey near this area. Now to just convert this thing, just channel this water, carry am to Ikpoba River. Even that connect there will dey waste time. So now to channel am to Ikpoba River straight. Ikpoba River dey down. Now to channel all those things. You see all those gutter, all that cave inside the place. Okay, even tell say na community. Na him do am to make sure say this problem is stop. As you see here, na house now be this. This house is almost caving into this gully. Now saying there I see there, as you see, so bless say I'll go ask some people question. See all that cave. All that cave enter. You see this hostel now. If they at risk, serious risk again, see I think my first suggestion where I guess is this is not hard. As Ikpoba River dey near here, they'll just channel the water, go Ikpoba River. When you do better underground drillage, you go collect the water straight. Now water they find a way so. Now water now they find a way. See here now, oh this so now. All those ones don't try to protect their outside. As you can see, it's still caving in. It's a caving well. As you see and say some of the house here now, like this one is already deserted. I think a few people they could see some of the windows here. You see say nobody. For this place, you see say nobody at all. The up self. Nobody. But I know say some few persons they out of say those one no choice to move. Now I mean then they here. Now 7th Street. Osemika Street. Now Osemika the talk since I built 7th there. Osemika Street. Now see this street to this way like this. You just take am. Go read that hostel we did that side so. That hostel. You take am straight they go. Now Rama Park you want go come out. Now the road your face. You can see some of these pains and frustration where people they go through. We use this medium draw the attention of our able governor to the. You say? I'll go down to the plight of those locals. We dey here. Oh, but I get you to tell me. How you be? You not get to talk with all those ones.
Come, now you go fit talk. Come.
Oh, but how you be? Waiting be pain, frustration that they go through here.
Really?
Talk
when
like talk.
When rain dey fall, when they stay, as in, so you know if you listen to the sound, you drink the water. If you carry human being.
The force waiting they come.
The force waiting they come.
Okay.
They scatter things. So
How long this place? You get idea how long this place will be like this?
Almost 3 years now.
Not too near that idea. Any government official of those state government don't come here, don't come take picture, do one or two things.
That's it.
Okay. Okay. Now we will do this one to really draw the attention of government to this area. If they never come, so by this I'm sure they'll come look at. May I see they go do am. My brother, what be your name?
Benjamin Keji.
Okay. Well done, bro, Mr. Benjamin. So I say Osemika Street. Nowadays, so you see how my brother now street be this before, once upon a street. Here na land oh, it's supposed to be a building plot for somebody. So you see which one?
This one.
Okay, you can see now this house now the locals all dog base. Nobody dey here again because of the gully issue. As you see now human being dey here, not be goat, no be good. You see wetin Edo Light dey go through. As Ikoba River dey near here, for Benin, I dey talk and say to really move water, e no hard because the way God take design our land for Edo here, e get as e be good. So to really do the needful, e no hard. If those who were elect get the political will to do wetin they supposed to do, you can see now. You see, this one na abandoned houses, a house, maybe under construction before, but the owner don base. He call the bad road. He call anything put in this place is as worthless as Uganda dollars at the talk. So you see, any effort put here is a wasted effort. So they call on the able governor of Edo State for now. We God give Edo State may manage their pilot their affair. Governor Godwin Nogayasa Obaseki to come to the aid of the locals of Osemika Street for Ikpoba local government of Edo State. As you can see, this is another issue. We say water not see the water they worry, they see the open water to way. Season of palliative measures to ensure say those things they may water not carry on. But as you can see, you see here now risk already there. As I was told, say this house, the people not get choice, they don't base come out for the house because say erosion gbege no for small pikin no. So me I see my guy now here you dey. I want me you attend me. I want to ask you some questions about this gully issue for Osemika Street. You understand? So this is a Naija Watch. So we hear the complaint. Now we'll come and say we'll come ask people here. First and foremost, we'll come see by ourselves. I will see and say the place get as it be. So as somebody where they stay here, you get anything to tell us.
The road.
I bet you talk like that. No say mic.
The
No.
road as I the road don't stop finish. No way to enter inside. Where they walk out for here, no way. If you rain fall, election they try to carry person for here.
Okay. Well done. What's your name, sir? Huh? Chukuka. Well done, Mr. Chukuka. And you can see children at risk here. You see this Oga that is opposite me here. Now small child. And all those things now waiting to put into consideration to salvage the life of our people. Because to build us, life for Nigeria not be small wahala. To build na issue. So that is why we are calling on the Edo State government to come to the aid of the good people of this area to ensure say dem go live life as normal as it's supposed to be. Because you see it's like we dey just dey assassinate us for everything. As I dey talk, every Nigerian man na local government of his own na dey provide everything for himself, but this one go beyond individual capacity. As you can see from beginning, they show me the effort wey community don put in place to ensure say this erosion gbege is stop. But na wetin e be pass dem. That's why we dey call on Edo State government and through all the relevant authority, ministry, federal ministry of environment too, to come to the aid of the people so they carry this water go Ikpoba. The land already take its shape. Now to put underground drillage with filter, carry am straight, and this erosion matter, e go just die. You know this problem, me I be novice, they give me, I go fit do am. Na simple thing, e no really hard. Oga, good morning, sir. I wan ask you question as one of the residents in this area, sir. This na Naija Watch. We hear the matter. This Naija Watch. Na Nigerians wey dey abroad, especially Edo people, na dem come together, come put this thing in place so that they know how their house dey be. So I make dem major with wetin those one wey dey government dey tell dem, because some of those roads they just do and they do wetin they call 3D printing. E go fine with street light. They go say this way they don do and so e be. So they wan merge wetin they tell dem and wetin dey on ground. That's why dem put this Naija Watch on ground, and this Naija Watch na YouTube dem dey watch am. This TV, the program wey we dey now, they call am Ewanta, that truth na dey tell everybody. Oga, so introduce yourself and tell me some of the challenges wey una dey face. Na pidgin program, sir.
My dear brother.
Yes, sir.
My name is Innocent. Abu Innocent.
Okay, sir.
As you can see for this road,
Yes,
it
sir.
has been long we have been suffering for this road.
Okay, sir.
We already spent a lot of money for this road, and as you can see, the road is not getting ahead now. We are suffering well, and we are still begging the government to help us.
Okay,
Because
sir.
we don't have the money again to spend again for the road again. The only thing we are begging government to help us to do the road the way it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Because you can see the road now, the road already channel itself. Just for them to help us, because we already spend a lot. I bet me they help us. We are crying. As you can see, my store now, nobody can come.
Okay,
to
now
my
stop
store
with
again,
this.
my store.
So
Nobody
you can
can come
see-
to my store again now.
Now stop with this,
So
so
long now, the road have been spoiled. Nobody can come to my store again. I'll be suffering. No, I have children. I can't see money to train my children again. I'm in the street now because of the road. As you can see me now, I'm a bubado pusher now because of the road. I don't see road to market again. I beg government help us. We are suffering in this place.
okay, children many for this street well.
Children many where
Many well.
many over many.
Are you ready for how they be?
But
Especially when they go school.
we have to lock our children inside house.
Okay.
We lock our children inside until the rain before we finish.
And when the rain fall finish, like how many hours if it dey before this erosion fit go down?
Sometimes 2 hours, 3 hours before
Okay.
the erosion will go down.
Before they fit manage.
Pass. Yeah.
Okay. Well now, yeah, these ones I told on Naija Watch, you will see this in watch for YouTube. Now to draw attention of the state government to the suffering of the people, na make us come, not to winchon, but now to let the state executive they see, because the governor no, I'm not sure say he know the name of this street, whether this kind of street dey exist. But with this one, he go say, he go put am join the kind things wey he wan do for this thing. But as I still talk, I still beg una, I go continue to dey come dey check, cause some say they carry camera come that day nothing happen. If something dey look for something, continue to push hard until you reach get wetin you want. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
May I carry on this ground? I be wetin the name of this street, cause the name they tell me may not bless.
The name
me
of
dey
the
make
street na
mistake here.
Asemeka Street.
Osewuka Street.
Yeah, Asemeka Street.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Well done, madam. Madam, you dey this area?
Yes, sir.
Okay, abeg, madam, wetin be some of the challenges una dey face for this street? Your name first, ma.
My name is Rita Abu.
Abeg, may I hear?
Rita Abu.
Okay, well done, ma.
Yes, sir.
So wetin be some of the challenges?
The challenges wey dey face na the election wey dey pass for.
Okay, wey dey come from this side, so wey cut hole here, so.
Yes.
Okay. So how una take dey cope, ma?
Huh?
How una take dey cope with the wahala, with the election gbege?
Where the rain start dey fall.
Yes.
Nobody dey come outside, even the children. So because of the election, many tenants park for the house.
I even see am say many landlord don don dey here again.
This house there na nobody, even this house after this place, nobody.
I see am.
All of the pass. Why? Because if you rain dey fall, everybody will go her children. Who not there as where e dey, e might no go settle because of say nobody go fit take care of the children for us.
Wetin you want make Edo state government do for you, especially this regime of Governor Godwin Obaseki?
So wetin me dey beg Governor Obaseki make he come do the road for us. That's the main point.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Yeah, this whole program wey dey work caller Iwanta na e call say dey talk truth to each other na we take dey grow. Na be program, but the name of the TV na Naija Watch. You see am watch for YouTube, madam. Meanwhile, they don tell our able governor, his citizen wey elect am, they don show message to am say may he come to their aid. As you see say the thing e pass their power. Na Osemeka na you see dey, you see say this one see personal effort. As you see am, to put small speed brake here so that make the water as e dey come e go reduce speed. As you see am, but the effort wey dey put, you see am, na be this, so the same Osemeka. You see all the, to make sure say everywhere balance, make water speed reduce. So you can see children all over this Osemeka street. So attention of the state government, we drag on to this matter. As you see this palliative now wey dem do here, they cause another gully for that place. We beg this state government may they come to the aid of those people. May add and join budget, or may do some palliative first. As you can see, na sure be this, but this one na story wey e no fit work again. The purpose of these stores now, e don defeat am. As you see, in another area be this, where water, those one don raise here, like this. They don raise am. They don raise am, make water no fit enter, but na joko, nature, as they talk am, is supreme. Water must find a way. As you can see, people are also living here. People are also living here. If you see now, the water part of am, they call this place. So may I waka, may you see some of the pains wey people dey go through here. Those one are measures, those one are bags of granite to ensure say do one or two things for the water level. As you can see, you see say structure be dey like that place, all don pull out because of the erosion water problem wey dey come here. As you can see, all this ground here now, once rain fall, and then tell me na no go area. You no need pastor or anything to tell you. Now you see all those places, once rain fall, you can see what people are going through. This is Naija Watch. So we dey draw attention for our government, state and federal level, to see wetin dem fit do to ravage this problem, because you see, so na big problem na be this one na better gbege na be this one. Oh, so we dey beg so that make attention dey, because here na still part of Edo State. They are Nigerians, they are Idolite, and they also deserve the best like others. Our constitution let us know say no Nigerian is more important than others. Okay. As one landlord here, wey dey try to put this one under in order, say me I come inside, but meanwhile me I go like say on Semika Street now I see this. So this is another palliative again, different from the first one, to ensure say they put this water under control. This is another one again. So it be, see what our people are going through on Semika Street. Now street be this, so way it turn to this thing. So people see this as they will see manage it. Out of choice, out of no choice. You see which time people they go through for Edo State. This one are out of the city or Semika Street. This one's supposed to be another street here before.
Yes, sir. Now another street.
But it not be street again now. They don't remove the S.
Now street.
Street.
Street there now.
See, oh, blood of God. Oh, blood of Nebuchadnezzar. Yes, supposed to be another T street. Osenka for end. As you can see, come for road, my brother. Okay, yes, okay, there. You can see this is another street, but don't talk to what it called Odugbo Road Farm. As you can see, well done, madam. Madam, bear with me. I ask you a question. As locals or here, well done, ma. I bet what's the name of this street, madam? This one let me just see you now.
I'm not living in this area.
You're not there for this area, yes. But they walk up past this area.
Yes.
What are the things we notice of this area, madam?
The bad road.
Talk, come on. The bad road.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you expect of the government to do for us?
I expect them to just look around and work the road for us so that motor will be passing this area.
Okay. This road will be like road farm now. Will be like where they pass go farm. Now road before.
Yes.
Now street before. Me I walk out. Thank you, madam. This is another street too, but at least they don't remove the hairs come out. Can see. Just they go so now street be this so. So now street be this. So may they come work on this. See now stop be this before. Stop it from the hustle. Now be this. I know whether people still there and I don't know, but this one has stop with the hustle before. Now how this one want to survive? work no even dey government no fit produce work now people decide to help themselves environment dey fuck them up and poor policies. Ministry of Education where una Ministry of Environment water wetin una dey do. Federal Ministry of Environment wetin una dey do. The various reps the various people dey represent them from here wetin una dey do. House of Assembly, National Assembly, House of Representative, what are your functions? Wetin una dey do? What una dey do for the good people of Edo State, or rather the people dey represent for Ekpoba-Aha? What are your wetin una dey do? Where are the people take dey benefit una? Where is say una go represent them? This na question wey una need to provide for the people, because every day for the thief, one day for the owner. You can fool some people sometimes, but not all the time. One day awareness go grow, people no like see una again, because when you too lie, when dirty too much for drink, even blind people go end there, go see am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. This na Naija Watch. Na I get this program. We hear say this area gully dey worry them. Na we hear now say mo come see am. Because e wrong to just see something you just never see am, your ear be the broadcaster. Na because carry Naija Watch carry their waka come. Your name, sir?
Thank you.
Yes,
My
sir.
name is Raphael Ode.
That one, sir. That one, no one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Na Daddy, this program na Edo people wey dey diaspora. Na the thing dey worry them how their house be. Because wetin dem dey hear and complain with some individual dey complain, e dey different from wetin those wey dey authority dey tell them. Na dem take come together come with this Naija Watch, so that dem go dey see am and see aspect wey dem fit engage those people wey we put for power. Na the purpose of that program. The name of this particular program under that Naija Watch, they call am Emata Tamegbe. Emata na be the code name of this particular program. Sir, you go tell me how you waka for this strand, the name of this street, sir.
Okay. This is Upper Asenka.
Okay.
Asenka Street. Ekpoba-Aha.
Okay, sir.
Ward 2. In Ekpoba-Aha.
Okay.
Since 1980, I've been here. I first entered this my house February 1981. We construct road, reach here. Since then, government have never one day say this na government work.
Yes.
That gutter or doing of the road, no support. So as you can see, sin is believing. I think you yourself you see how the road is.
Yeah, I don't see am. I don't see am.
And most of what my immediate senior brother has already packed away to another place because of the bad road.
Yes, sir.
His own house.
Okay.
But I said I can't leave my own personal house, so I will leave it for tenants. When not let me stay, I'll say me tenant come stay. This is why I try my effort. I think you can see now all these are my effort I've done. So far 400,000 I spent this year alone. This year alone, not the one I'm doing before. This year alone to prevent erosion. To prevent erosion from this area. So I will be very happy if government can assist us. Because you can, it's not a lie. Sin is believing. You can see by yourself how the road is.
We see am, we see am.
This is not a. I beg government, Edo State government, to come to our aid, to help us. This one is beyond one person power.
Yes.
So I beg government. I will be very happy if they can listen to us. Please.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's my comment.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
I dey grateful, sir, for your time. As you can see, where I reach this place just now, sir, I carry here. I show una here just now.
Yeah.
Go back say now one person. Now they do this one. They go like this.
Yes.
And other effort. Gutter everything. That man wey you see there just now. Na him dey do am. And that na wetin citizens supposed to do. And government go complement their own effort. But for this case, if let's say they leave them to their fate, na only when election dey na they go waka come here. After election they make 1001 promises, no one dey come here again. As I dey talk to you so now, no be village I dey o. Na out of this na Osemeka street off Rama Park. Na one straight road to Rama Park. Na this road your dey, no be say na inside village at all. Na one of the metropolitan local government area for Edo State na we dey so wey be like Odugbo so. We dey Ward 2 in Ikpoba na we dey take this shot so. We dey beg on all authorities, Edo State to federal government to even the foreign donor wey dey bring money wey dey dagbo dey put for pocket. We dey beg all of una make una come to the aid of this street, of this Osemeka street. As you can see, when it rains they no fit come out, children no fit go school. You no need pastors who say to tell you how e be. As we don run out from beginning come reach here, you go see as e be. And when people wey dem dey rule dey govern over no happy, even God for heaven say no go happy, because they say the pain of man na our father e dey see all of them. They express their pain, and why they elect leaders na for leader to put succor to their face, to go through their frustration, to remedy to find provide solution. I hope all the authorities wey this thing concern they put ear for ground to listen to the cry of the people. They say sovereignty belongs to the power belongs to the people of Nigeria, and that people na give una power, and that people dey complain say that they not dey happy the way things dey go on with them. As you see say as you be say person wey park enter house for 1981, e good that things hard now make come turn to ten ant. E no work because we know how the economy be for this country. That's why e good say everything for dey spoil make government put eye, because na human being dey here no be goat. To do this thing for my back here as dey look where people dey waka pass, so if you go from small na Ikpoba river na e dey there. Wetin this place need na to just carry one big digger for middle of the road, one big channel take am to Ikpoba river, and e no hard. Even the Ekune there for the other side, for Ekune down that side for Festus there, na the same thing they supposed to do. E no really hard, na because say people no wan do the needful. They say beware of those who dey make problem dey hard. Na there na I say may I tell those people wey give power to appeal for their conscience, say make dem know say e get one judge wey no dey chop bribe, wey dey see everything, wey go judge us according to our work for this world. So from Naija Watch. Good. This Naija Watch na Edo people wey dey abroad, and dem put us together get this station to see wetin dey happen for their home, because some go talk to some talk lie. Na they come do am so that this matter people go now go grassroots to see wetin dey really dey happen, so I go report am to them directly, and they go see how they take engage those one who were elect for power, how they take talk, and they will still carry this video send out to them, make them see why this place be like this or why attention never dey. Na every purpose, sir. This is Osemeka street, sir. Upper Osemeka street. How you look inside? Because I just see how they waka come since from Rama Park side. They waka the road sef, e get as e be, not straight. I reach here, I come see gully, see houses, dog cave inside, and some the land no tenant for the house, nobody for the house again. Well done, sir.
No, thank you.
Yes,
well,
sir.
My name is Mr. Odua, Frank. I'm in this downside of Upper Osemeka.
Yes, sir.
By Ojefo Road.
Okay.
The thing wey really cause our problem here.
Yes, sir.
Now the water we dey carry from Oregbeni market to Osemeka. From Osemeka, the water is coming here, no direction, and we are suffering it.
Okay.
As you said, you saw many houses already vacated by tenants.
Yes, sir.
We know that one is not a good thing for any landlord. By June 2019, this gully you saw now.
Yes.
June, the first Wednesday of June, now it come.
2019. Yes.
The rain was so heavy that we thought could even remove trees from ground. But the following day, another one came. People will even get motor inside this place. Whether na head they take carry am out, now only God know. Because nobody can even move with leg, talk less of driving car out. Since then, we'll be suffering it. The only way I feel they can help us and to move the water from the market directly to Jemila Road.
Yes.
Then those of us at this end will be free. And then people no help matter at the beginning. You will see, you say the road not straight.
Yes.
Selling pieces, parcel of land where we should have a direct water course.
Yes.
It's one of the reasons. If you see this road now, supposed to be going straight. Look at him there. Look at the road. Look at that road.
Yes.
Just watch it from on top of the hill.
Yes.
This one is supposed to join. Yes. If you look at those ones there, they are coming direct to this side. Now, so this one is supposed to be doing to merge.
Yes.
But because they just sell land anyhow, that is why most of these water drainages, they are not straight, affecting others.
Yes.
So if government can really come to us, help us move this water from the market straight to Jemila Road.
Yes, sir.
I feel we will be safe here.
Okay,
or
sir.
else people are ready to move away from this area.
Like this Jemila area, sir, the drill is here, they go carry and go the river.
It's straight to the river.
Okay, okay.
It's
Can be
straight to the
controlled
river.
from there
Can
to
be
river.
controlled from there.
Okay.
Drainages there, no, you know, we say go fit carry the volume of water we dey follow here.
Yes.
But because it's straight to the river, it can move the water without any person complaining. Okay. That is the meaning.
Thank you very much, sir.
God bless you.
We sure say the executive governor go listen to this one and go provide solution by the grace of the Almighty God. As I told na Naija Watch, we will continue to play this thing and continue to come the investigate and we'll see as it be. Thank you, sir.
We will thank God if una go fit actually cry to the government for us, because we are really suffering. You can see these blocks.
Yes.
Constructed by individuals. Where you have that black shirt, about 5 were constructed before.
Okay.
But the water washed them away. If you just like, come and put tipper loads of sand severally. In fact, there was a time I even spoke in one of the radios.
Yes.
I said they can bring canoe when rain is falling. You will move canoe in the water here. Once there is water, once there is rainfall, nobody can move on this road until about 1 hour. You say, rain fall for this side, so because it's slopey. So we pray they come and help us. Thank you very much.
Well done, sir.
God bless you.
Yes, sir.
This was said no, we don't want them. This was said no, we don't want them. So how do we do it? It has to be shared.
Yes.
See, so that if director here, this one will block them. If director this one will block. Okay, how do we do? We now settle down. So let us share it together.
Yes.
We shared it. One gutter here, one gutter that side.
So it's not true for me though.
No, the
gutter true for me though.
No, it's just here.
Okay.
Remove these houses.
Okay.
This is what I was saying about this one is supposed to go and link
the other street inside.
Even there are some streets. If there are streets they come soon now. If not, say people open eye, they don't sell here.
Okay, even this place, oh. So guys, they'll just tell me now your street be this.
I know the other one.
Okay, the other one.
Yeah, this one George John.
Okay, just come down so that move away.
Planning to call Bosunu.
Okay.
Come and see us here because it's my neighbor in the farm.
Okay.
And I have his number.
Okay, just talk to me.
Okay.
Your name, sir?
Thank you very much. My name is Nixon Osagi.
Okay, that one, sir.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. But just tell me some of the challenges where they go through. Cause this one I build an road farm, but road pass. But they say na street before.
The time when we come here, most of the pass here, everybody they walk out where everything is okay. But the erosion, when the erosion begin, they come. My brother, we not fit. Every day quarrel, we don't they go police station every time. They arrest each other because of this erosion. But if you see, and nobody bring up for each other.
Yes.
But say they come now, this one will say this one, this one, we go station. Police go see set to the office, follow us come here. They will see set to the hook, we see the men's side. But when rain come, my brother, and I walk. That's why today we fit be.
More go that side now. More go that side. Okay, more you lead us. Go as you can see. Now the pain so now they see so. This one say talk am as e be. That's why we come by ourselves, come see am. This one na street before o, but me say they don remove the hairs comot. As you see the reasons wey cause this one, wetin cause this matter, wetin dey behind am many. One na greed. We get town planning here. When you just come, things dey go wrong, they come, you give them money, they waka comot. In fact, Edo State government supposed to arrest those wey dey that office of town planning because of some things wey dem don do wrong. Because me, I just see am wey dem go some place, people come complain, they go there, eat money, comot, and the wrong thing go still happen. See am. Okay, wey motor dey pass. Now I do this one for. Yes.
This one Owa Street.
Owa Street.
Yes. Off Obaseki.
Off Obaseki Street. Now be this one so. Where the Obaseki Street now be this? Another moat dey that side too.
Moat big one.
Okay. Okay. We waka go there. Yeah, Mona waka go there. Thank you, sir. Oga, we know say because of age, me I not use you waka too much. I'm grateful. This one na Owa Street. Where about this very one, sir?
This one Ojefo.
Ojefo Street.
Yes.
We go meet upper Semika now. Okay. He can't link Owe Street, Owa Street. From here now, officially go Obaseki Street. Okay. Oh yeah.
I thought Obaseki go come up for Guinness.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sir. Now it's my waka, as you can see. Na town be this will not be villa. But the thing just dey get as they doing for body. I think the investment not be small. The Federal Republic of Nigeria, I sure where we get am wrong. Now when we allow Okpo give us name, that Lologard Okpo, give us name. Now there we get am wrong. Come they call an area, nigger area, slave area. They come say Niger area. When I go read in history here, they say when the foundation is wrong, everything is wrong. We have to redefine this country, Nigeria. We will change that name. First and almost, we will change am. We will change am. You can see now motor dey see so. Here na Obaseki Street. Na street be this before. Just dey go before. So na locals na do this gutter abi na government? Na locals na do this gutter here to ensure say to control water come this side. Na locals na do am. Na moat be this.
You start from up. Na up before the combo.
There na the back of the motor for Obaseki Street. See, may I load the moat well. Now this wood now they hold this house. Now this wood and all those grass, all those wood wey dey here. See mold, but our people say dirty. See dirty inside. If something spoil, we'll gather and spoil am, and the thing go dey affect us. So we dey call governor, See what our people are doing. Put dirty. Where the problem already there. Put dirty. This one are waiting our forefather do for us. This moat. They know say time go come. We will get problem like this. We will get free flow. Now to open, I see beg Edo State government and the Federal Ministry of Environment. Make them make sure say all those moat around, make they reopen all of them. Because as one time when I go back Hawaii, the Ojo back Hawaii tell me say some of the moat, because it don't cover, now make water they worry them. They say pipes where they carry water they. Say sand don't cover them. If they dig the moat where they'll see all those pipes there, and once they through them, another thing will happen. And true. Moreover, most still learn to the Ministry of Environment, Edo State, make them deceit all our gutters. Make sure say water will get free flow for Benin. Make government still come to the aid of those locals when they see how they put things in shape. Because as you see, as you go see for this video, we dey lose larger portion of our lands to Gole, and e not tell where at all. And make we regulate the way they build us, the way they buy land, where they build that, where they build and put. Make government start to regulate her, so that all those nonsense will feel abate them. No say we close that. It not concern me. It don't concern every one of us now. The journey now not be one person journey. E don turn to Oshobe. As Najawa see the waka, we see dey for Ikpoba. As you can see, me I dey always dey disappointed on our people. Say something spoil, they will spoil am more. I dey beg Edo State government through the Ministry of Environment, make they carry their movement come here to come survey this thing and give responsibility to locals. I know and I know, not be spirit. They do all those things wey dey as you see say they complain say erosion. They worry them and they part the put. Now inside that day so you can see the smell here will call meningitis. Just imagine what they are doing to our environment. I beg Minister of Environment to come to Obaseki Street. This road now lead to Western Boys, opposite Western Boys. To come as a matter of make they declare emergency for here to obey those nuisance completely. Because this one na Goli na I call this one, and the people say come they spoil the whole thing, make matter worse for themselves, turn the place to refuge zone. So I pray, I beg, I mean, not a matter of prayer, this is not a matter of fashion. For those say to those our government, may they come, may they ensure say they compare the locals of this area, may they not turn this place to refuge zone. Because they say cleanliness is next to godliness. Me know say many of them are religious people, and most of them now don't go church or go various ways that they worship. But in all, any religion where they worship, where they from the worship, condemn dirty. He condemn our well with strong terms. So if we dey practice religion, why not practice in character? As you can see, this road Obaseki Street, straight to Guinness, straight to Western Boys, opposite Western Boys. You can see this danger. This one is dangerous to our environment. Dangerous to our environment. That is why you see Sunday hot, many things they happen for they complain. It's as a result of our own action to our own environment. As you can see, I'm not joining person for this one, because me not get friend. But this one, the people are head. The people, the locals here are responsible for this thing that is happening here. Because it's not spirit we can't do it. Now locals we dey here. Now they condemn, now they cause this dangerous thing to our environment. Even when government even fail us, must we fail ourselves? We not get sense. Our sense na leg day. If you cannot throw refuge dirty for your own parlor, even between papa, why you can't throw am for this kind of place? Well, me as I carry the waka go front, you see those gutters, as I was told. Say the constructor to control this thing, and the thing don't be one big begin for here. But Ministry of Environment, as a matter of urgency, should rise up to their responsibility and serve people to ensure that this kind of nuisance must be obeyed in this area. Now I say street a day. This street as you see, so go straight to that Bini Agboro Dabi, opposite Western Boys High School. The name of this street, they call am Obaseki. For a long time, attention has not been given to this road. But I also express my disappointment, my own disappointment. Say people not try. Now here, that gully erosion day, where I showed just now, the gully site, where dirty for and all those things. Now here, kill the road, where that boy is, where those bamboo they go down, and there those dirty, dirty, and not very big gully they there. But apart from that, say government. Not see do the people themselves pay their own self by carrying dirty out of your various houses, come pour for the open drillage. That place where gully erosion already caused begin for. If like say themselves by their action, they say not ready for they're not ready for solution for this matter. But meanwhile, I go where like say grass cover. As I dey go now, go see how it be. But we, the people of Edo State, we must learn how to help ourselves. As that man for that Osemika Street be, I think Osemika Street, Osemika. Okay, that man will meet for there. you can see how the man take the responsibility upon himself. Even though he no work hard, he spend money, he do everything to ensure say he achieve result better. But on the other side, this Obaseki street, you can see say if you just spoil, most spoil and finish. They add to the existing problem, because once you dey put dirty for where water dey pass, you have caused another harm to our own environment. You have even made the gully get worse as e be. So na continuation of the road be this. Na Western Boys are dey head towards, but e be like say as e be, those gutter, is it done by government or individual? You can see this gutter na individual I say also run na, as you see am say e don fail from this point down. Some like this building now has been abandoned. Na viable project before, but nobody fit open where build house for inside water now. Na some Obaseki street na those are some of the measures wey people try use to ensure say they revive the environment. But why some of them wey dey fight, wey no know wetin good to do, dey destroy our environment for us. Well, for those one wey try, I appreciate them and thank them. Why government go need to do the rest, but in a deplorable condition of the road, this Obaseki road, where they draw attention of those state government for. So I made them come see how they feel arrest this situation, so I may not claim more ground. But the problem wey e dey this matter be say, my fear now be say, if we allow this thing to go, e go claim more land. The gully started small, so that way dey my back for Obaseki, but now na another place. Na here na me I say make I rest small, as e be say the man wey dey talk wey no drink water, if he taste a sote, if he go far. May I appreciate those men. I don't understand. Those men, they has been my guide, wonderful guide. Mr. Israel Agaga, your name? Lefty Goodluck. They be wonderful. Now their territory, now then take me around to see those things.
Thank you very much.
For myself, where they are good friends of Nigeria Watch. As we be, we'll continue to carry the story as it be, without fear of favor. We no favor anybody. Tell friend to spoil friendship. Who bad, tell and say it bad. Who good, tell and say it good. So I will tell ourselves those truths. Nice, we will carry our country go forward where, so that we will get peace of mind. But when you supposed to do the right thing, go to do the wrong thing, even that way God give us the call conscience. Now we must tell you say you go wrong. But when your conscience will they whip you, if you go last 50 years, if you go last 35 years.
Yeah, that's what we be that. That's what we end. We gonna watch out, we gonna share out, we gonna tell who never hear. But this just to love what you supposed to miss. Miss out. Understand? And this is why they watch out here, they watch out here. So you supposed to watch out for your gadgets, not miss out. Call your family members, share out to your family and friends. Make them follow up this gist. Because you don't get information, there's no any power. If you don't get the information, you don't get use of the show until they happen around you. Don't forget to share our videos all the time, and I always remind you now. Subscribe to this channel, your Google channel. You know say in our channel, you know say you can't get it elsewhere. Nigeria Watch.